Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace without friending. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on the Marketplace icon on the top and click on sell and click on items. So click on add photo. So let me select a photo. So let's suppose I want to sell this cake. Click on next. You can add title, price, category, condition, description. Okay, and in the bottom you can see hide from friends. You simply need to turn on this feature. This listing is still public but will be hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger. So once you done that and complete all the details, then you simply need to click on publish on the top right. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.